All right, today we are doing a sneak peek at what this new deck looks like here. And it's just amazing. We've ripped off the interior fence and lined it with cedar. This is clear cedar. It's not 100% clear. It's the kind that we can get in stock, and we've kind of thrown away the knotted pine where it's an issue. We've got our new sconces coming in with our stainless screws so that we don't have issues here as it ages. But you know, we've refinished the wall behind the condenser here that wasn't, so it'll tie in. This is going to weather quite nicely. We're going to put the cedar over that box out that we did to hide some ugly stuff over there by the next building, and then paint that. That's going to be a deep silver color that'll match what's up there, not that dark sample. But I think we can say all in all, it's an incredible improvement. So ciao for now, and we'll do another one at the end.